Welcome to the video tutorial section for eHRAF World Cultures. In this video, you will learn how to conduct a basic keyword search on the eHRAF World Cultures landing page. When conducting a basic search of the eHRAF database, it is important to keep in mind a few do's and don'ts. Let's start with the do's. To search for an exact phrase, put the phrase in quotation marks. Use an asterisk for a so-called wildcard. For instance, if I place an asterisk after the word jealous, I'll get search results containing the term jealous, jealousy, jealousies, etc. For fuzzy searches, use a tilde. For instance, by typing a word like color with a tilde, I'll also get search results for words that are only a few letters off, such as the British spelling of color, C-O-L-O-U-R. Now let's consider the don'ts. Don't use hyphens. Don't use wildcards with short and common text strings that are often prefixes for unrelated words. For example, don't use a wildcard after a word like art, which can return results for artifact, arthritis, and other diverse keywords not related to your topic of interest. Simply search for the word art or arts instead. Let's go through an example. Suppose I'm conducting a cross-cultural survey on the use of hallucinogens. I'll type hallucin with an asterisk into the search box, covering words like hallucinate, hallucinogen, and any plurals. Execute the basic search and we'll arrive at the culture and results page. By default, search results are organized by world region, leaving out those regions which don't have any cultures matching your criteria. When you click on a region, a table will expand showing results according to culture name and subregion. You will also see the culture's subsistence type and number of documents. You can sort these tables by clicking on any of the column headers. If you are ready to look at a result, go ahead and click it. You can filter your search results by clicking the Show Filters button and adjusting your search criteria as desired. For instance, if desired, I could easily restrict my search results to pastoralist societies alone. If you wish to combine multiple keywords in your search, or if you wish to search for paragraphs by their assigned subject category, take a look at the next video in the series on advanced searches. That concludes the eHRAF Basic Search tutorial. For more information, visit our website at ehraf.yale.edu or begin searching at ehrafworldcultures.yale.edu.